Hi, my name's Emine and I'm from London. I had problems with my teeth for many years, so I decided that I should do something about it. I mentioned this to my sister-in-law who lives in Cyprus and who has a friend that has come to Istanbul to get his teeth fixed. He mentioned Medicadent last year in October. Had my implants put by Professor Zafer, who was brilliant. He showed me the plan, exactly what he was going to do, and that was really good for me as well. So we came back in May and met with Nur Hanım, who is an excellent, very kind and empathetic person, and she has made my teeth like as if they were the real ones that I had pulled out. The team here is excellent. All the staff are very kind and very accommodating, and I'm very happy that I came here.